Welcome to Atticus, the all-in-one book writing and formatting platform. In this video, we'll walk through everything you need to know to structure your book inside the app, from front matter to parts, chapters, and formatting tools, all while showing you where everything lives on the screen. Let's begin. After logging in, you'll land on your home dashboard. Here you'll see all your books, recent projects, and templates at a glance. Clicking on any book cover brings you directly into the writing and formatting interface. This is where the real work happens. On the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation panel. This is your central hub for organizing everything in your book, including your front matter, body chapters, back matter, and any parts or volumes you have created. Within every new Atticus book, whether it's uploaded or started fresh, you'll find 3 pre-generated pages already included within your front matter. These are your title page, copyright page, and a dynamic table of contents. These are pre-formatted to fit industry standards, helping prepare your reader before the story begins. From within the navigation panel, you'll be able to click through these pages easily, rearrange chapters, and make a new chapter or section level adjustments as needed. By clicking the 3 dots located to the right of any chapter title, you'll see more chapter level settings available. These include functions like merging chapters, including a specific chapter or page within a desired exported format, or even choosing which side of the page a chapter will begin. Just remember, this last option will be available for all chapters except Chapter 1. That's because Atticus already forces your Chapter 1 to begin on the right side per industry standard. If you wish to not have this, you can always add a blank page before Chapter 1, as that will then be what appears on the right-hand side. Moving along, you'll also have the options to unnumber a chapter if desired. This is extremely helpful for adding in any additional content that you don't want to disrupt your chapter numbering. By unchecking this, you'll see Atticus automatically skips and continues on as if that chapter wasn't there. And lastly, saving a master page. We aren't going to deep dive into these, but to give you a general idea, master pages are templates you create that you wish to include within multiple books. For example, if you've created a template for your Also Buy page and wish to include it in books 1 to 3 of a series, you can easily do that. Just save the template, go into your other books, and add the page here. When clicking the 3 dots, you'll also see options to add additional pre-formatted sections and preset layouts such as an author bio, index, or Also Buy pages. Now let's move to the heart of your book, the body. This is where your chapters and scenes live. To add a new chapter, click Add Chapter at the bottom of the navigation panel. You can also drag and drop chapters at any time to reorder your book. When you click on a chapter or page in the navigation panel, it opens in the content editor. Once inside a chapter, the main screen becomes your writing workspace, the writing editor and toolbar. At the top of the editor, you'll find a toolbar with commonly used formatting tools similar to a traditional word processor, including bold, italics, lists, alignment, subheadings, page breaks, and scene breaks. You'll also see Atticus-specific writing tools, such as links, add interior images, call-out boxes, text messages, and footnotes. Additional formatting options include block quotes, verse, hanging indents, split chapter, undo, and redo. When using the Writing tab, it's important to note that what you see here will look different from the final formatted book. That's because the Writing tab is designed to provide you with a familiar writing and editing experience. You'll be able to adjust your fonts, spacing, and overall layout later on within the Formatting tab. As this is your primary workspace, you can write and revise text for chapters and sections, customize your chapter titles and special page labels, and manage what directly appears within your table of contents. Moving along your screen, you'll find the right-hand side toolbar. Here you'll have editor settings, find and replace, collaboration changes, writing goals, smart quotes, and the previewer. The editor settings allow you to adjust things like font size, and line height within the editor screen. It's important to clarify that these changes only affect your writing view and do not impact the final formatting of your book. Find and replace lets you search your entire manuscript or specific chapters to fix typos, update names, or refine wording. Utilizing the writing goals, you stay motivated by setting a daily or project-based word count target, allowing you to track your progress over time. Smart quotes automatically convert straight quotes into curly quotes, helping maintain consistency and giving your book a more polished appearance. The Atticus Previewer allows you to see how your book will look in its final format. By default, you'll see an iPad preview, but you can switch to other devices like Kindle or a print preview using the drop-down menu. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you'll find one last toolbar. On here, you'll see the option to view your entire manuscript, chapter, or section word count. You'll also have the ability to set a sprint timer for your writing. And lastly, there's the option to quickly export a docx version of your manuscript if you need that handy. Well, there you have it. That was your overview of writing and structuring a book in Atticus. With everything organized in one place, you can focus on writing with confidence, knowing your book is clean, structured, and ready for formatting when you are. If you'd like to continue learning, be sure to check out our other tutorials, especially our video explaining how to format your book within Attekus. And as always, happy writing.